Hi there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to fix TikTok Showcase not showing. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So let's say you have just started doing affiliate marketing on TikTok, but even if you have added products to your showcase, they are not showing here. So what you can do is to go to TikTok Seller Center app, then tap on this gear icon to open the settings. Next, tap on Linked TikTok Accounts, and then select Marketing Accounts. So here, if you can already link your account, then just go ahead and do that here. But as you can see, in my case, I am unable to bind an account because I am currently on probation period. So what does probation period mean? So when you're on probation period, it means that some functions are restricted to you, and that includes TikTok Showcase in your TikTok shop. So in order for these restrictions to be lifted, according to this, your shop should meet these following criteria. So operating duration, more than 30 calendar days, order fulfilled, at least 500 orders, violation points, less than 12, and so on. You can view this and read these thoroughly on the TikTok seller website, or you can just search for probation period on TikTok shop in your browser, and this is most probably the first result. So once you have met all these criteria, you will then have an option to link your TikTok account here. And after that, you will be able to see your TikTok showcase in your shop. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.